From England, back with another video for gel press. Now, much as I like stencils, I also like designing my own. So I'm going to show you how I make simple, single-use paper stencils to use in my journals to create pages like this. So it's super sunny here in England and usually, so I've gone for a sunshine theme, but I really liked my stencil when I'd used it, so I've included that in my journal too. You might also get some nice off-prints to use in your journals too. So I hope you'll join me and play along, and let's make it personal. I'm going to begin by designing my single-use stencil, and I'm just doing this on ordinary paper. Now that's why it's only single use. If you wanted to, you could cut something like this from acetate. I'm going to need, so my paper, a cutting mat, I'm going to use this circle punch and a craft knife. Now one of the reasons I like making handmade stencils is they're not perfect. They will be slightly wonky, slightly irregular, and that's the look I'm going for. So I've cut a circle from just a piece of scrap card. This is going to help me design my background, but I'll also use this later as a stencil, so don't get rid of this bit, you're going to need it later on. Randomly added some circles, and I'm now going to add some spikes to kind of make a sunshine effect. I'm going to do this just freehand, but I am just imagining each time I do it, I'm not going to write this on every time, but I'm just imagining that kind of cross section there, which will make sure that the spikes coming out from the centre of the sun, I'm just going to draw triangles, but at least they're coming out with the right direction. So I'm just going to start adding some simple lines. Remember, I'm going for that kind of slightly offset, whimsical look. If any of them aren't quite right, I can just adjust it as I go along with the knife. I'm going to start with the circle. And done the whole thing, you will end up with something like that, which will make a really good single-use stencil, and the all-important offcut to match the middle bit here. I'm using my large 12 by 14 gel press plate today because I want to do a full-size journal page, and I can fit that all on there. I'm going to do a series of lemons and pinks as my background colour, and I'm going to use this texture plate by Carabelle to lift off some of that background so it's not too heavy. Want to lighten up this background. I want to make sure that my hand cut stencil design really stands out, so I'm going to use this is a stencil by Dilutions, and a little bit of light white just to lighten that background.